Welcome to our roundup of the best bar clamps, essential tools designed to hold materials securely in place during woodworking, DIY projects, and construction tasks. Whether you're gluing, assembling, or stabilizing materials, a good bar clamp provides strong grip, stability, and precision. Modern bar clamps come with features like quick-release mechanisms, durable steel bars, ergonomic handles, and non-slip pads that protect surfaces. Many models also offer adjustable lengths and strong clamping force for different project needs. Choosing the right bar clamp can improve accuracy, safety, and overall work efficiency. Let's take a closer look at some of the best bar clamps available right now. Starting with the Irwin bar clamp, this model is a trusted choice known for its strong clamping force and durable construction. It typically features a sturdy steel bar that resists bending under pressure, ensuring reliable performance during heavy-duty tasks. The ergonomic handle allows for comfortable grip and better control when tightening. Many versions include quick-release triggers for easy adjustment and faster operation. Users appreciate its stability and long-lasting build quality. Additionally, it delivers consistent pressure across materials for accurate results. It also improves efficiency, enhances grip strength, and supports reliable performance. It also increases clamping stability, improves pressure distribution, enhances durability, and ensures dependable performance during demanding woodworking and assembly tasks over extended periods. It further improves handling control, reduces user fatigue, and maintains steady pressure during prolonged and repetitive clamping operations. Next up is the Equipped bar clamp, a solid option designed for versatility and ease of use in various applications. This clamp typically features a lightweight yet durable design that makes it easy to handle during different projects. The adjustable bar allows flexibility for working with different material sizes. Many models include soft jaw pads that help prevent damage to delicate surfaces. Users often appreciate its smooth operation and user-friendly design. Additionally, it provides consistent clamping pressure and stable performance. It also improves convenience, enhances control, and supports everyday use. It also boosts usability, improves adjustment precision, enhances surface protection, and ensures reliable performance across a wide range of light to medium-duty tasks. It also offers smoother sliding adjustments, better alignment support, and improved handling for quicker setup during different project types. Moving on to the Horace D bar clamp, this model offers a great balance of affordability and reliable performance. It typically features a reinforced bar structure that maintains strength during regular use. The quick adjust mechanism allows users to position the clamp efficiently without wasting time. Its non-slip grip handle improves control and comfort during tightening. Many users appreciate its value and dependable results for DIY projects. Additionally, it delivers steady clamping force and consistent operation. It also improves workflow, enhances stability, and supports regular use. It also increases efficiency, improves grip comfort, enhances adjustment speed, and ensures consistent performance during repeated use in various home improvement and woodworking tasks over extended periods. It also helps reduce setup time, improves ease of repositioning, and maintains consistent grip strength across multiple surfaces and materials. Stepping up in performance, the Work Pro bar clamp is designed for users who need stronger clamping force and improved durability. This clamp typically features a heavy-duty construction that handles more demanding applications with ease. The quick-release design allows for faster adjustments and easier operation. Many versions include reinforced jaws that provide better grip and hold materials securely. Users appreciate its solid build and reliable performance. Additionally, it delivers consistent pressure and stable operation. It also improves productivity, enhances control, and supports heavy-duty use. It also boosts clamping strength, improves durability under pressure, enhances grip reliability, and ensures dependable performance during intensive and demanding woodworking and assembly projects over extended periods. It further improves workload efficiency, supports extended use without strain, and delivers consistent pressure for precision assembly and alignment tasks. Taking the top spot is the Jorgensen bar clamp, a premium option known for its superior build quality and strong clamping performance. This clamp typically features a high-strength steel bar combined with precision-engineered components for maximum reliability. The ergonomic handle allows smooth tightening with better control and less effort. Many models include non-marring pads to protect work surfaces while maintaining strong grip. Users appreciate its professional-grade performance and durability. Additionally, it delivers excellent clamping pressure and consistent results. It also stands out for its reliability, strength, and long-term performance. It also enhances long-term durability, improves clamping accuracy, increases pressure consistency, and ensures top-level performance for professional woodworking and heavy-duty applications. It also provides superior stability, improved handling comfort, and long-lasting reliability even under continuous heavy-duty workshop conditions. All of these bar clamps serve different needs depending on strength, durability, and usage. The Irewing clamp offers reliable, heavy-duty performance. The Equipped clamp provides versatility and ease of use. The Horisty clamp delivers affordable and dependable results. The WorkPro clamp offers strong performance for demanding tasks. And the Jorgensen clamp stands out as the most premium and high-performance option overall. That wraps up our list of the best bar clamps, from lightweight and versatile tools to heavy-duty clamps built for professional use. If you're working on woodworking projects, DIY builds, or general repairs, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which bar clamp you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your projects more precise and secure with the right bar clamp.